Good morning to all. This is again the second statistical tools, Poisson distribution. This is the definition of Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution is denoted by PR equal to m की power r e की power minus m factorial r, where the value of p represented the probability of win, and you have the mean or averaging or number of wins is m. Say it is np. This is np. So that's why the value of e is any exponential function. The value of e is 2.718. This value we can use in our numerical, where r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the second example based on Poisson distribution. Before it, I have solved one example, and this is a second example. Find the probability that at most 5 defective components will be found in a lot of 200 if experience show that 2% of such components are defective. Also find the probability of more than 5 defective components, and this is given in your question e की power minus 4 equal to 0.018. Because we know very well कि when we apply Poisson distribution, when n is very large and p is very small, here we have lot of 200 components, and in a lot of 200 components, 5 defective components. So 5 defective components you have to given, and in 5 defective component you have to find the probability of 5 defective components in which 2% of such components are defective. So what is the probability of defective components? Probability of defective components p equal to 2 upon 100. We have to given in this question that 2% of such components are defective. This is the probability of defective components. So p equal to 2 upon 100, and here n is 200, lot of 200. This is n, small n is 200, and what is m is np. We need the value of np when we apply the formula of Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution, the value of Poisson distribution is pr equal to m की power r e की power minus m upon factorial r. So we need the value of m, and what is m? M is n into p. N is 200, and what is p? P is 2 upon 100. So that's why the value of m equal to 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find probability at most 5 defective components. At most 5 defective components means we have to find the probability r is less than equal to 5. And how we can find the value r is less than equal to 5? We have to find the probability of p0, p1, p2, p3, p4 and p5, because this this is given in our question that at most 5 defective components. At most 5 defective components, r is less than equal to 5. So that's why r is less than equal to 5 means we have to find the probability r equal to 0, p0 plus p1, p2, p3 and p4 and p5. Now what is the formula of Poisson distribution? The value of Poisson distribution is pr equal to m की power r e की power minus m and factorial r. When we substitute r equal to 0, then we will get p0. So that's why this value is m की power 0, e की power minus 4 and factorial 0, plus when we substitute r equal to 1 in Poisson distribution, then this is m की power 1 e की power minus 4 upon factorial 1, and this value, this value, this value, and in the last when we substitute r equal to 5, then this is m की power 5 e की power minus m is 4 and factorial 5. Then e की power minus 4 outside the bracket, this is 1 plus m square upon 2 plus m cube upon 6 plus m की power 4 upon 24, and in the last m की power 5 upon 120. We will solve this. Substitute m equal to 4, then this value is 0.7715. Therefore, the probability here we have two parts. First part is we have to find the probability at most 5 defective components, and in second we have to find more than 5 defective components. So more than 5 defective components, we have many more than 5 defective components. So that's why in the second part what we have to find, we have to find more than 5 defective components. We have 100 components. Here we have to given here we have n is 200. So that's why how we can find more than 5 defective components. This value is r is greater than 5, and r is greater than 5, we can find 1 minus probability r is less than equal to 5. What is r is less than equal to 5? This is 0.7715. So that's why when we subtract 1 minus 0.7715, this is 0.2285. This is the probability of more than 5 defective components. Next example is, if 3% of electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective, find the probability that in a sample of 100 bulbs there are 5 defective bulbs. What we have to given? We have to given that 3% of electric bulbs means probability of defective bulbs is P equal to 3. Percentage means 3 upon 100. Probability of defective components we have to given P is 3%. What is n? N is, and you have in a sample of 100 bulbs, so n is 100. And what you have to find exactly? You have to find the probability of 5 defective components, 5 defective bulbs. Neither you have to find at least, no, nor you have to find at most. Exactly you have to find the probability of 5 defective bulbs. So what is the probability of Poisson distribution? This is PR equal to e की power minus m की power r upon factorial r. What you have to find? You have to find r equal to 5. Out of 100 bulbs you have to find the probability of 5 defective components. That's why here substitute r equal to 5, and this value is e की power minus m e की power minus m. M is the value of m is n into p, and n is 100, p is 3 upon 100. Therefore the value of m equal to 3. Substitute m equal to 3 in this given Poisson distribution, e की power minus 3 की power r upon factorial r, and we have r is 5. That's why the probability of 5 defective bulbs is 0.1003. This is the next example of Poisson distribution. Here what you have to given? You have to given, if the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.0002, determine the chance that out of 1000 individuals more than 2 will get a bad reaction, and the value of e की power minus 2 is 0.8187. What you have? You have the probability of a bad reaction. Probability of bad reaction you have, this is P. Probability of bad reaction you have to given, this value is 0.0002. And what is n? N is 1000 individual. This is n. Then easily you can find the value of m. M is n into p, and you have, and p is again you have, this value is 0.2. Now what we have to now already I have told you Poisson distribution we can apply when the value of n is very large and p is very small. Here we can see that the probability of bad reaction is very small and number of trials is very high. That's why here we are using here Poisson distribution. And by the help of Poisson distribution, what we have to find? We have to find the probability more than 2 will get a bad reaction. So that's why we need the value of the probability r is greater than 2. Greater than 2 means 1 minus probability less than 2. And probability less than 2 means the value P0 plus P1 plus P2. How you can find the value of P0? The value of the Poisson distribution PR is e की power minus m, m की power r upon factorial r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Substitute r equal to 0 in Poisson distribution. When you substitute r equal to 0 in Poisson distribution, this is e की power minus m. M is 0.2. This is e की power minus 0.2 into m की power r. M means 0.2 की power r 0 upon factorial 0. The value of e की power minus 0.2. The value of e की power minus 0.2 is 0.8187. This value is 8187. So that's why this value you can find very easily. Again by the help of this Poisson distribution, you can find the value r equal to 1 and r equal to 2. So that's why the value of the probability more than 2 will get a bad reaction is 1 minus P0. P0 is 0.8187 plus P1, this is 0.1637 plus e की power minus plus P2 is 0.0164. Then the probability of bad reaction more than 2 will get a bad reaction is 0.0012.